Hello guys, welcome to our channel. And today I'm going to show you how to add YouTube Shorts on Snapchat and Instagram Story. First, we're going to go over with your YouTube account, and then there you can find the shorts below. Please click on the button and then scroll down. Look for the videos that you would like to share on Snapchat. Okay, once you found your video or the video of your choice, you may now click the share button and then copy link, and then you leave your YouTube and then proceed to your Snapchat account. And then click on the camera, and there you can find the clip sign beside. Click on that and then attach or paste the URL. Attach the snap, and there you have it. You already have the link and the video. So you can write or you can put whatever caption you would like or pictures that you would like. And then click on the stories, and there you have the stories posted in your Snapchat. It's simple and easy as that. Okay, let's proceed. And now let's move on to Instagram. So how are we going to share stories or YouTube Shorts on Instagram Stories? Now again, proceed to your YouTube account and click the Shorts and choose whatever video that you would like to share on your Instagram Story. So with me here, I already have mine. And then copy the link and proceed to your Instagram. Okay, proceed to Instagram Stories. Share whatever background you like and click on the sticker above and scroll it down and click the link sign and paste the URL of the YouTube Shorts, and there you have your YouTube Shorts shared on your Instagram Story. Okay, let's try to check. Okay, that's our story. Click on that, and then that will immediately proceed to the YouTube Shorts that you chose. So if you have any questions, please comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe.